Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and thank you for sharing them, and thank you for subscribing. Well, today's video is about who is God, or who is the creator to me, and what does the creator mean or represent in my life. And I hope that you guys enjoy the rest of this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Wena unguQamata, wena unguThixo wasemandulo, wena unguThixo wethu bantu, wena unguThixo wobawo, ungumdali wento zonke, Mvelikuqala. Ngaphambi kwakho abekho abanye othixo, uRamasedi, uModimo, uKgosi ya dikgosi, lefatshe lohle le kgumama ho wena, lefatshe lohle le a ho rorisa. Ra, you are the androgynous power, and you are the infinite light. You have no beginning and you have no ending. You are immortal and you are eternal. You are the self-perfected mind. You are the God of my forefathers. You are the one that charges before me. I have my nature and being deeply rooted in you, because you are life. You are the one who created everything. You are peace. You have no name, because you are unnameable. You are the God of my heart. You are Yahweh. You are the self begotten one. You are power. You are the restorer of broken homes. Wena Qamata Thixo Wobawo is who